What the preen gland is and what it is used for. Some birds, but not all, have what's called a preen gland, or sometimes referred to as an oil gland. Birds like ringneck parrots, Alexandrine parrots, budgies, conures, lovebirds, Quaker parrots, just to name a few, have this gland. The preen gland is exactly what it sounds like, and that is to preen with. In this video, I will show you exactly where the preen gland is located on your bird and what it is used for. The gland is located near the base of the tail. Its exact location is where I have the red arrow pointing to, and it almost resembles a little bump that protrudes out. Chances are you have noticed your bird rubbing their beak or head against it, and what they are actually doing is gathering the preen oil and applying it to their feathers and body. This preen gland produces an oily, waxy substance that helps waterproof feathers and body. The birds will actually spread this oil to each feather so they are evenly protected and coated. Moisturizing feathers with preen oil helps their feathers maintain strength and flexibility for better flight, as well as regular upkeep. You will most likely see your bird preening several times a day. Birds preen their feathers to maintain good feather condition. When birds are preening, they are also removing dirt, dust, and parasites. Preening also aligns a bird's feather for better insulation and waterproofing. Preening is a part of your bird's everyday grooming. If you ever notice all of a sudden your pet bird has stopped preening, this actually may be a sign for concern, being it may be ill or some other underlying issues. As well, if you ever notice that your bird is focused or over preening from either boredom or due to other underlying issues that could eventually lead to plucking, always ask your AVIAN vet for advice just to be safe. I hope the video helped, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.